you should throw the garbage inside this, but only if that should be small enough to go inside. If you have a heavy garbage, in Sweden we have a standard garbage management and waste disposal system, and there are related processes that everyone in Sweden, including you, must follow it. You see down, this house is very neat and clean. It's your job to make it neat and clean. It should be as clean when you leave as it is clean now. So you have to take care of your garbage very well. The standard garbage that you get from, for example, kitchen, you can put it here in a dustbin. We have also dustbins here. You can use this one. And if you have bottles, glass bottles, or iron bottles, metal bottles, you have to dispose them outside. I will show you how you do that, but first we will start from here. So the standard garbage, you can put it there. You are not supposed to throw it in different places. And then here, if you see here, this is called waste queen. This is taking care of your organic waste. Organic waste, we mean that, for example, your vegetables, anything that is coming from the fruit or vegetables, even meat, if you want to dispose, you can dispose it here. So if there is a small quantity of organic food, you can put it down, and that there's a machine there, it will take care of. And if you see here, there is on and on button, and if you press this after putting it here, it will work. So your organic dispose will go here, but remember, never throw any metal here, never throw any plastic, never throw any hard material. It should always be like this, so there should not be any chance to go so that you can throw heavy metal there. If you throw something there, you have to take that out. Or if you are worried about this, always use the dustbin. Don't even use this machine. Now, all the things, all your waste, finally you have to clean the apartment and throw all your waste outside. So see this, these rods, green, with the green color, here you can dispose your waste. And you can see the label there. I will show you when I will go in front of that, you have to throw, for example, common material in some places, iron or plastic in some places, and you can't throw a big bag there, only those bags that can easily go inside. But you don't have to use this path, because you're not supposed to go out from here. This is the private garden. You have to go out from the main door, and you have to use this key, because this is going to, you can only use that place to throw your garbage by using this key. And I will show you how you can do that. Let's go there. You have to come from this way. We always keep our shoes on this side. This is like a wooden deck. Never use your shoes here. So you have to come from this way. And here you can see you can throw different things in different boxes. Plastic will go here, plast. But if you have other stuff, metal or batteries, then we have to go another place. And these can be only opened with this one. So you do like this, and then you can open. So you need this key to open this, and then you should throw the garbage inside this, but only if that should be small enough to go inside. If you have a heavy garbage, or if you have other stuff like metal or like plastic or maybe batteries, then you have to go down. Let me show you. So you have to come here, use this key, this door will open. Here you can throw other garbage if you have a, and you can see everything is written here. Your electricity stuff here. If you have dangerous stuff, it will come here. Like batteries, or if you have like oil you have to throw, you can throw here. And if the garbage is too big, you cannot throw up, you have to throw here. So thank you. If you like this video, please share this video to the whole world.